Kia Telluride, Kia's capable and most award-winning SUV, gets even more rugged and refined for 2023. And one of the most exciting updates of all is the introduction of the new Kia Telluride X-Pro. Unique to the X-Pro, design details, inside and out, help set it apart from other Telluride trims. And the Telluride X-Pro's enhancements run more than skin deep. The Telluride X-Pro raises ground clearance to 8.4 inches. In addition, the all-wheel drive lock within the Drive Mode integrated control system is tuned on the Telluride X-Pro for the special demands of off-road driving. To demonstrate what this adventure-ready vehicle can do, we created a challenging off-road course in Seguin, Texas. Capability begins with power, and Telluride's standard 3.8-liter V6 engine can provide plenty of it for off-road action, with 291 horsepower and 262 foot-pounds of torque. Ravines are a common off-road obstacle that the Telluride X-Pro can tackle with all-wheel drive lock engaged. All Telluride trims offer traction control and electronic stability control, and the Telluride X-Pro's traction control system can help get owners through situations like this one. When engaged, the system is designed to send torque to the one wheel with traction to help keep the vehicle moving. Power and traction aren't the only tools you need to conquer a hill off-road. Knowing where you're going is critical, and the Telluride's available surround view monitor with 3D view can help you keep your eyes on the road when all you can see through the windshield is sky. The Telluride X-Pro can also make stopping halfway up a hill easier for the driver. Auto Hold is designed to help keep the Telluride still by applying the brakes until it's time to step on the accelerator to continue. New for 2023, the Telluride X-Pro offers downhill brake control, which is designed to automatically apply the brakes to maintain the vehicle's speed and allow the driver to concentrate on steering the vehicle downhill. Off-road surfaces are rarely flat, and here the Telluride X-Pro demonstrates its side slope capability and excellent tire grip potential. And in tricky situations, the Telluride X-Pro's suite of cameras can once again be activated to help the driver find the best path forward or backward. Uneven terrain like this is an ideal demonstration of why ground clearance and approach, breakover, and departure angles matter. The Telluride X-Pro's body dimensions and running gear can help the driver avoid getting stuck in a variety of situations. As the driver tackles another side slope and ravine, keep your eyes on the Continental all-terrain tires. Note the importance of a strong sidewall and aggressive grip in this challenging maneuver. Another challenge conquered. It's further proof that the Kia Telluride X-Pro can not only throw down the gauntlet, it can run it too, thanks to confidence-inspiring technology and features designed for all your adventures, on-road or off.